In this video, I'm going to be proving the integration by parts formula. That's the integral of u dv is equal to u times v minus the integral of v du. And since this is a kind of a product rule for anti-differentiation, I'm going to just start with the product rule for derivatives. And then I'm going to take the antiderivative of both sides with respect to x. So on the left side, the antiderivative of the derivative of f times g is, well, that's going to be f times g. So f of x times g of x equals the antiderivative of these two things added together. Now, we also know that the antiderivative of the sum is the sum of the antiderivatives, provided that those antiderivatives exist, which we kind of need to assume they do. So I'm going to kind of write this as two antiderivatives. Okay. And then I'm going to solve for one of those integrals. And so you'll see that I solved for this integral right here. Okay. And if I let u equal f of x and dv equal g prime of x dx, then we know that we can, take the derivative of the left side, so I'd get du is f prime of x dx, and v equals g of x by anti-differentiating this equation. And now I'm going to just pretty much translate this into my new u and v terminology, and I get the antiderivative of f of x is u, g prime of x dx is dv. That's going to equal f of x times g of x, which is u times v, minus the antiderivative of g of x is v, and f prime of x dx is du. And, well, that's what I'd set out to show you in the first place.